Alright, Kraft, now don't forget, tonight I flew in my two daughters from China, Ping and Pong. They had a threesome in China. Turn around, see, they conjoined at the face. They're a freak of nature.
Oh my god!
I left them in China, almost.
Okay, yeah, alright.
I can tell this is gonna taste, you idiot! Oh, it smells so Mike Wazowski. I had me all lightheaded and shit. Wanna see you try?
Your parents' pigs.
Moo, 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 moo. Move out of my fucking way. Just like walking around your fucking neighborhood dressed as a fucking cow. Hopefully someone milks me. Play with my balls.
That's clever.
I've done some fucked up shit.
Okay, come on.
I have the package right here. Elephant, Daddy.